Whether you're an experienced angler or have only just picked up a rod, this is an indispensable reference guide to fishing. The Complete Fishing Manual is your definitive guide to all things fishing, covering everything from strategies and techniques to bait, tackle, and kit. This manual will assist you every step of the way. Whether you're a pro, fly fishing in the rivers of the UK, or a novice figuring out the reel, this manual has all the information you need to plan your next fishing adventure. Vivid illustrations and detailed photographs draw you in, offer essential advice on anatomy, habitat, and behavior. Details of every fishing strategy and technique can be found within these pages, ensuring you are ever ready. Casting your net further to the north of Italy and beautiful Spain, this book also takes you on a journey through the world's best fishing destinations, acquainting you with once-in-a-lifetime species found in this region. Find the link below and buy the book now.